what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lena Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do a side part jumbo box braid knotless mid back, okay, tutorial. So the client wanted a side part, okay? So I know normally when everyone does like knotless box braids, they'll do row from row from row, and then when they get to the top, they'll have a middle part. But this client knew she did not want a middle part, okay? So I do offer the option of having a side part, especially if you're having large braids, because you know the parts are bigger, everything is more pronounced, and everything is like more open because the parts are bigger. So I usually offer them, like, you know, I typically do middle parts for for large braids. Do you want a side part? Because I'm trying to figure out how you're gonna wear your hair. So a lot of people say, you know, I'll wait in the middle and on the side, and then when they say that, I'll do a middle part. If they say, girl, I'm never going to wear it down the middle, I'm always going to have my hair parted on the left, then I'll do like a left side part. And the same thing for a right side part. If they say like, oh, girl, I'm going to wear it in a bun most of the time or whatever, I'll still just do a middle part. The only time I do a side part or any other part is when they ask for it, as well as like when it comes to partying, if they say, girl, I want diamond parts, then I do diamond parts. Girl, I want free parts, then I'll do free parts. But for the most my standard parting is regular box parting, okay? So yeah, I'm just kind of letting you guys know, just in case anybody ever wondered when it comes to the parts or why everybody does middle parts. This is why I do middle parts automatically. And like I stated in my previous videos, middle part helps balance out the left and the right side and make sure that you have the same amount of braids on both sides and that everything is equal, okay? She is a nurse, so she did not want any long braids. She wanted something that she can wear and put it in a bun if she needs to, or put it in like a, you know, like a high bun or a low bun, and it's just not a lot of hair. So this is basically the concept. This is what I did, girl. She has, you know, a lot of hair. You know, still was a little cute, a little style the last few weeks, guys. And I did show you guys how to refresh large knotless braids. If you guys want to see that, I will link it in the description box below, or I will put it in the comments below. Hope you guys are enjoying this consistency. Like I stated, that we are going to do this the rest of the year, girl. Road to 100K. All right. So make sure you guys subscribe and show your girl some love to this channel. And everything that I use will be in the description box below, and it also was shown at the beginning of the video. So yeah, this took me about 2 hours to do. So large knotless usually takes me about 1.5 to 2.5 hours to do. I usually pre-prep the hair out and lay the hair out so I could just grab and go. That is how I get through most of the styles. And the quickest time frame I ever did large knotless was 1.5 hours, and that's because the client hair was all ready to go, was already prepped, oil free, was already blown out, and I already had the hair prepped and ready for her to go. So a lot of times that's why things don't take that long, or, you know, I'm able to get, you know, styles done quicker. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will talk to you on my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Bye.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.